Hi, good day. This is Prexyll from Prexyll Beats, and welcome to this journey. We will go to the beach side in Villa Arcadia in Talisayan, Misamis Oriental, and we will travel very far, about 7 hours of traveling or land journey. So thank you once again for joining us in our journey for today, and enjoy. We appreciate that you are watching this video, and you can help us improving these channels by liking this video and also subscribing to these channels. And if you want the updates, you can click the notification bell. After long and tired journey, we reached our destination, and it is very promising, relaxing, and very beautiful beach. The kids love the sea. It is not very clear because of the sun type. The color is beige, but it is very enjoyable and also very refreshing. We will spend our night here in very romantic and cool scenery. Very early the rain, but after the rain it is good weather, and we explore the other area of this beach in Villa Arcadia.
When the race is done, I see no smile, no smile, nothing left to say. I guess nobody really won. When the race is done, I see no smile, no smile. Trying to shake all the memories, now the enemies, from a place that we both wanna leave. Now we don't really wanna feel. Did we hold on for too long? Could you tell me, babe, what went wrong? But now we're free, yeah, indeed.
After about 30 to 40 minutes of traveling from Villa Arcadia, we stopped by in this zoo in Sugbong, Kogon. This wonderful experience together with your family and with your kids is unforgettable memory to us. Thank you again for watching our video.